There's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right. I can only say that it feels right.
Hey guys, welcome back to Cowboy Gamer here. Tuesday are for the boys. I just sent that.
Feels right.
We're stripping it out today.
We are?
Yeah.
Wait, you are?
Yeah. Taking off the dash.
You don't have my tools. Wait. So, here's the first thing, right? Now, Seth said he's making his Nissan his daily driver and this is race car because this might not pass emissions. Here, Seth, let's hook up the thing, the OBD2 scanner, real quick. Check with this piece of crap.
Get in here without socks on.
Huh?
I don't want to get in here without socks on.
Yeah, it's very dirty though. So, brand new auto cross vehicle. Right, Seth? Dude, I looked it up, right? So, this is the 1998 Mitsubishi Mirage DE, right? It's the automatic version. It has a 1.5 liter, not the 1.8, the 1.5. Makes 92 horsepower, I think, but weighs 2,200 pounds, which is lighter than this car. This car weighs 2,350, something like that. With no interior. This has full interior and weighs that much. We can probably strip this car down to 1,900 pounds, Seth.
Take it off.
Or more.
Take out door panels today.
Access and everything too. Oh, I found a nice Momo steering wheel on OfferUp for $30.
30 bucks?
Yeah.
Where?
On OfferUp.
Where?
I don't know. I saved it. Alright, so we polished this last night, you know, got the flames out coming hot, you know what I mean? No, whoa, not that much. So he's gonna polish the whole car because
I'm doing the hood. I'm doing the roof.
Alright.
Alright guys, we're stripping it out today. Starting with this.
You smell that? It smells like burnt oil. So, we just pulled out the... If dealerships charge you like $100 for this job, man, I just did this with one hand. Easiest air filter to change. I'm happy, like, Mitsubishi can build air filters, man. Like, it's just easy. Oh, gosh. Alright, guys, so these are 1.5 liter. Always starting the race car thing. The car already went up. Trunk is very nasty, but literally this took me 2 minutes. I just tugged on it just lightly, and the whole piece just came out. And same on that side. I'm like, okay, well, that's good enough, I guess. Yeah. So let's. I already found the spot where I can weld the reinforcements bar to there, reinforcements bar just welded on there, so bam, that's already done, and probably one in the front, reinforcements bar too. Just, we're gonna make this whole thing stiff, so alright guys, it's 12:14. We started this around 20 minutes ago, something like that. So we got the whole trunk. I already showed you guys. We got the door panel out. We're just gonna start cleaning it. I took that one out. Seth's gonna take this one out now. So it's just very simple. It's literally one bolt there, and then the thing here, and then it's out.
I have cup holders.
That's fine. All right, guys. We got the whole door panels. That one over there. This one. The whole trunk. We got the whole tires. We got everything of that stripped out. We still need the back seats and all that crap, but we're taking on a ride real quick.
I gotta go get my keys.
Oh yeah, and we removed the air filter somewhere else over there. my gosh. Alright. We fixed the blinkers!
Oh, there's a cop.
Wait, where?
Right there.
P-Tech.
Dude, it's a lot faster.
It is. And that's with me in the car too. Going up a hill. Well, we need more weight reduction.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
It's not low yet.
Just came from a big rip. She was smoking a bit. Just pulling her down.
Where's the bike? So much you're at.
The pepper might have pulled out in front of me.
Alright guys, I'm about to move it down there. Take off the muffler.
I cannot believe this guy. Here's the piece. Oh my gosh. Already starting the same thing with the Nissan. Well guys, he's just driving it himself because it's much lighter without me, so. Here goes a pink mobile. I actually kind of like it. For him, for auto thrust, we just need to stiffen up the Audi a bit with all that weight reduction. It's a super light car, so I think it'll be good. 1,900 pounds, 1,800 pounds. Really good pedicross car. Few miles to the engine, this should be good, to be honest. So let's see, I guess how it goes. I guess he's about to do a muffler delete after he's back. So.
Alright guys,
Alright guys, this is where we crashed.
Right here, around this turn.
Our crash scene.
We bounced off a tree. It's right there.
Oh yeah, there's the bumps right here. These right there.
The bumps right there.
Oh my, these are worse.
I know. These are the ones that we hit, guys.
And Seth lost control.
Yeah, but that's where we crashed. So. Alright, chill!
I know it's a turn. I remember this road. It's the one you. Right. So we are out here. Seth is removing the. Sorry for the focus, but it's manual. But let me see if we can focus it. Whoa. Been removing the bolts for the exhaust. The other one over there snapped is removed. We got this one and the top one right there. Alright, so I'm going to show them the inside real quick. Sorry it's late at night, but we got, get this focused. We got the whole interior out, or the rear interior still going for the headliner and stuff. So, yeah. Okay guys, how much do you think it weighs?
At least 40 pounds.
Saves as much the weight right there, huh?
Try it.
Yeah, I'll try it afterwards, I guess. Piping ends right there. You can see it. That's the piping ends, like right there. So, jack it up, lower it, and then see how she sounds. Sorry for darkness, but it's nighttime, so.
Yo, who sat so damn close?
You! So you drive, Seth.
How do you even adjust the damn steering wheel? I don't want to run over stuff, so I'm gonna.
No, you're good.
dad's right there.
Do you like it or what?
Yeah, keep it that stuff.
Huh?
That's
Don't stop.
He's lighting more.
Huh?
He's lighting more. It's a bottle rocket.
Oh gosh. Oh shoot. What?
Not that stupid.